Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall or remove EA Sports FC companion app from your smartphone. If you no longer need this gameplay and you wish to permanently remove it from your smartphone, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do that, you need to access your app. For that, just swipe your apps, and once you are on your apps page, the simplest method is just to long press on your app and you should see an option to uninstall from here. So that is the straightforward way. However, if you are missing this uninstall option, then you can uninstall your app from Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store and search for my app, Companion, just like that, and then run the search. And as you can see, our app is here and it is installed on my phone. As you can see, we have here an option to uninstall it. Just proceed and tap on uninstall, and this will remove the app together with its files from your phone. Now if you go back and now open your apps, now look at that, our app has been removed totally from my phone. So that's how you can uninstall EA Sports FC companion app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.